Universal Studios, just like I pictured it. We're here at Universal Studios in Hollywood, California, home of the new attraction, Earthquake, the big one. We're just seconds away from experiencing a man-made version of that most terrifying of nature's phenomena, the monster quake. I am told that this earthquake measures 8.3 on the Richter scale, which is about 24.9 in dog years. So this should really be something.
We are arriving at the epicenter, the predicted epicenter for the earthquake.
Well, the nicest thing about this attraction is you can enjoy a delicious, healthy snack without the benefit of electricity. See, you've got your boysenberry juice here, you've got your fresh bananas, that's your fresh fruit. Whoa! This is gonna be good! I think I'm gonna puke now!
Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated and remain calm. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain in your seats.
Ah! Look out, 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 look out! Ow! A flood! A flood! Oh, this is terrible! This is terrible! Oh, I can't believe it! Real water! How do they do it? Oh, my shoes are wet! Oh, no! Over 5 gallons of water used every day. Ah, and there you have it, a healthy, nutritious, delicious, anytime snack. Mmm, good.